Hello, this is Manesh Patel with blackbar.com. Today is August 2, 2025. We had another great week. It's 24 winners, 1 loss, and 4 break even. I want to talk about last week. Reason why is we had a lot of winners last week, and the key, as I mentioned, is that we wanted to see if they follow through because a lot of them were bullish trades. Majority of them did not follow through, which is not a good sign at all. So that was not good for the bulls at all. And you kind of saw that after the Fed announcement where the market's going to retreated back on Thursday and Friday. And you could kind of see also with the results from this week, sorry, where some of these trades now are bearish, not majority of them are bullish. So let's go through the results here. 24 winners, 1 loss, and 4 break even. Remember, this is our weekly forecast where we go through our AI forecasting tool where you show it for stocks, currencies, futures, and crypto. And remember, we're doing this on a weekly time frame just for illustrative purpose, but it works for any instrument in any time frame. And what we're looking for is this black bar. When we have that, we tells us the following week here, since it's weekly time frame, that price could move. If it's a green background, it means it could go bullish. You're looking for it to break the black bar high. If it's a red background, you're looking for it to break the black bar low. If it has no background, it could go bullish or bearish, where you want price to hit the red dot and then either break the high or low. Those are the simple rules there. We also have a point where we go to break even for money management. So let's go for the results. First, we're going to go for the shaded opportunities, which are trending, which is the first list here, and then the consolidation patterns to see which ones broke out. But the overall results were 24 winners, 1 loss, four break even. TSN was a bearish trade winning. Prudential was bearish winning. PSA was bearish. Met was bearish. HSIC was bearish. AFL, this should actually be down here. So let's put that one there. AAL was bearish. AGAJG. Then we had a future here. This is soybean futures. Actually, that shouldn't even be in there. You had ACN here, PLD. This here should be at the bottom here. And that was a winning trade. This was break-even trade here when this went all the way up and then pretty much it came all the way down here. But this was break-even. CAD yen here. This was break even too for the bullish side, and then it went bearish. Okay, this was a minor loss here where we entered here, and then it basically came down here, hit our stop loss, which is pretty much at the red dot. So we had losers there. So if you look at the trending opportunities, pretty much all of them were bearish, and you had about 8 of them going bearish, 1 break even, and 1 loss for the pretty much the trending opportunities. For the consolidation patterns to break out, you had AFL that was bearish, PLD was bearish, New Zealand USD was bearish, Pound USD is bearish. The dollar got stronger last week, you could see, especially with against the pound. A lot of the pound currencies got hit. Pound New Zealand was bearish. Australian New Zealand was bearish. This one is bearish. Just getting the color codes correct. MCK was bearish. This is the one of the few that was bullish. McDonald's, that was bullish. This is bearish. FITB was bearish. Meta here was bullish. So you had McDonald's and Meta, which were pretty much the bullish opportunities out there this week. CTSH was bearish. AME was bullish, so that was one of the few. Adobe here was bearish. This one didn't do a drawdown before it broke down, but this was bearish. These were break-even trades here and break-even. So you really only had three bullish out of all these opportunities here. And if you look at the overall results, we had 24 winners, one loss, and four break even. The key is, will we follow through this week and continue to go bearish as we did at the end of the week? If we do, that'll be interesting to see, especially a lot of these opportunities here will follow through and we will go to break even on them. If you have any questions, please ask in the post. Please like and share this video too. Thank you.